o'clock on a Tuesday morning. I'm sick and tired, my mind is getting boring. My thoughts are the same, day after day. Regret what I do, regret what I say. Words that I've spoken, our promises broken. I laugh them away and pretend